Hello guys, we're going to cook today. We are cooking fried rice, or in Indonesia we call it Nasi Goreng. Have some soy sauce, red and white onion, normal soy sauce, some sweet soy sauce, fish soy sauce, seasoning like Royco, and this, I'm not sure what this is, an egg, and some salt and pepper. And we need to put all of the ingredient to the stove. Look at it sizzling. Okay, let me correct it. We just need to put the onion and the white and red onion first. Just wait a few moments. Now we put the sausage in. Smells good from here. Crack open that egg. Tack, tack. Looks delicious already. Just spin it around a bit. Now for some salt. Toasty. Now we actually put the rice in. That's the rice in fried rice. Yeah. It's coming together. Now we put in some soy sauce. The classic soy sauce. Always works. Salty. Some fish soy sauce. Hey. Some seasoning. Hey, not sponsored by the way. More seasoning. Finally, Indonesian specialty sweet soy sauce. Look at that. Delicious rice. Now we turn off the stove. And it's done. Just scoop it out. I'm already hungry while watching it. Look at that. Guys, this is what I called Nasi Goreng fried rice.